All right, so let me start this video by showing you guys the days that I use this pattern for my entry. And as you can see on my screen right here on SAUSD, you can see the winning streak back to back, like almost every time I use it, it always end up a successful trade. All right. And most times you guys see me post my trade result, my winning trade. And most of you guys that don't know that there are some things we need price to do for us before we can take our entry. It's not just about support or resistance area for you to take your entry. You need some confirmation pattern that this thing is going to work. So this pattern I'm giving you guys is the best confirmation pattern I have seen in this industry. The only thing is that you have to wait for the candle formation. Sometimes it may take some time for the candle to form, but whenever the candle form, then you're going to have a blast winning trade. This is my most recent trade on SAUSD. Now the question is, how do we make use of this trading pattern? Now this trading pattern work with 3 candle formation. First of all, you have to wait for 3 candles to close on your chart before you can take the trade. Now, that waiting period is your discipline part of trading. You have to make sure you wait for these 3 candles to close. Now, in waiting for these 3 candles to close, 2 of them like this must close in the same direction. For example, this is a bearish candle followed by another bearish candle. The same thing applies for a bullish candle followed by another bullish candle. Now, the next candle we are waiting for is to close on the opposite direction. Okay, for example, this was that bearish 2 candles I showed you guys here. The bearish 2 candles, then this one will close as a bullish candle. So at this point, the pattern has already formed on your chart. Okay, the same thing applies for the bullish direction. This was 2 bullish consecutive candles, then followed by a bearish candle. So at this point, the pattern has already formed. Now, after the pattern has formed, how do we make use of it for your entry? How do we make use of it for your confirmation pattern? So that's the next thing I want to show you guys. Now, to make use of it for your entry, look at what I have here. This diagram I have here. Remember, I told you guys I'm going to go to the chart and show you guys example, just like that trade, just like those trades I showed you guys on SAUSD. Now, to make use of this pattern on your chart, it's either you are using it for a bullish environment or for a bearish environment. For a bullish environment, obviously, we are looking for a buying opportunity. For a bearish environment, we are looking for a selling opportunity. And now, this is an example of a bullish environment. What you are seeing right here, this example of a bullish environment. Okay, now this was an impulse followed by a retracement. Now, when the market is retracing to the downside, sometimes you don't know when the move will take off to start pulling to the upside. So most times, many people take a loss by trying to anticipate this move. The best thing is you must wait for this pattern to form. Now, you can go to your chart and prove everything I'm showing you now. The moment you see this pattern form on a retracement environment, this bearish retracement, of course, I told you guys, these are the way the pattern are formed: 2 bearish candles followed by a bullish candle. So these bearish candles are in alignment with this bearish move to the downside. Okay, so immediately this pattern just form on this environment. The next thing is open your trade immediately this 3rd candle close. So at the close of this 3rd candle is when you open your trade. And the good thing is that you can do it on any time frame. You can do it on daily time frame, weekly time frame, monthly time frame. You can even use it for your top-down analysis. But most times I use it for my entry. So if I'm doing it here on 1 hour time frame, for example, let's say this is a 1 hour time frame I am in. Of course, I'm on 1 hour time frame right here. So let's say this is a 1 hour time frame. I'm waiting for market to expand. After the expansion, I'm reading the price action going to the downside in a bullish environment. Bullish environment means something like this. So there was a push like this. Okay, so this was a continuation. So this is a bullish environment. So at this point, I am reading this retracement to the downside, waiting for this thing to fall. Trading is very simple if you know how to apply these basic things, and if you are disciplined to wait for them to form on your chart, instead of you to just start engaging arbitrarily at any level. So you just just be disciplined and wait for this thing. And if you apply simplicity to your trading, you're going to be profitable, definitely. So immediately this 3rd candle close at this point, then my only thing is that either I wait for the 4th candle to retrace to touch this place. Okay, this is another block, and this is the reason why other block is very powerful when it comes to trading, because this is how other block are formed in the market. Okay, so I can just wait for the next candle, the 4th candle, to come here and touch this other block, and then use that as my entry to the upside. The same thing can apply if I go to 5 minutes time frame. I can use this thing for a scalping opportunity on lower time frame. The same thing we can do here on this bearish environment. Okay, this was an impulse to the downside, then market retrace. The only thing is that I just need this 3rd candle to close, this bearish candle to close. After this bearish candle has closed, then I can wait for the 4th candle to come and retest this place, and then I use it for my entry to the downside. Now, if you pay attention to what I've been saying so far, you can begin to observe that this kind of thing can also be kind of a bearish and a bullish engulfing pattern. Okay, for example, immediately this candle close below this one. It's a little bit kind of engulfing candlestick trading pattern, but the only reason why this one is more powerful than that engulfing candle is that I'm making use of 3 candles here. Engulfing candlestick pattern is just 1 candle formation. Now, let me go to the chart, show you guys some of the examples, and you will see how marvelous this thing is. So remember what I told you guys, you wait for your retracement first of all. Most importantly, you wait for your retracement. After that retracement, you wait for your candlestick formation. Then after this formation, you take your entry. Like no, nothing for you guys to panic or worry about. Just go and test it on your own. Just go and back test it on your own. You'll see what I'm saying. But let me show you guys the examples, okay? Now for the examples, let me use GBP JPY because it's been long I traded that pair, okay? Now remember the first thing we do is identify our impulse, okay? Then after identifying our impulse, you can see it's even here, even from the recent market price action. I don't even need to go back to the past to look for this. This is the impulse, okay? Now market is retracing. All right, now at this point of retracement, I just need what? The third candle to close, okay? Okay. So let's read the first 2 candles. The first 2 candles here, let me zoom this in so that you guys will see it well. So the first 2 candles here is this one. Are you seeing it? This 2 green candle, 1, 2. So this is 2 green candle. Then where is my entry? Immediately this candle close. Let me open it up a little bit so that you guys will see it more clearly. Let me open it up where. So 1, 2. Now immediately this candle close, I just need what? Okay, let me mark out this other block inside of it. Okay, this other block, I've already marked it out. Now you can see how this fourth candle come back to retest this other block. It didn't even dip into it. It just to all these candles here. You can see how they are piercing through this other block. That's to show that this is a great. You can and then you see the next move, great momentum push to the downside. Are you seeing it now? Do you know that this is also a retracement? Let me show you guys. Do you know that this was also a retracement for this move for people to take this entry at this point? But the reason why I may not take this entry, that's why you must be a smart trader, okay? And intelligent trader. So the reason why I may not take this is because this is not a green candle, all right? Unlike these 2 green candles here, all right? Just green, black, black. So does that look like what I taught you guys? No, I said it must be green, green, and then 1 black candle. Okay, this is an example of a bearish condition. Let me look for a bullish example and I'll show you guys. It's even here already. So let's take a look. Now it pushed to the upside, to the downside. Okay, where is the 2 candles? Okay, let's open up this place right here. Okay, let's open up that place. All right. So here, what do we have here? We have 2 black candles to the downside, okay? Then a green candle close. Okay, after the green candle close, where is our other block? Is here, okay? You can see how this candle come back, retest it. Every other candle, they are respecting it. That's how to know that this thing is going to work, okay? Every other candle are respecting it. Now, I know some of you will say, this looks like 2 black candles for a green candle. For example, you can use here as retracement, okay? Retracement to move. No, you can't use that because take a look at this candle. This is just, it's like you are saying that this formation of, because this is the 2 candle, 1, 2, 3. All right. Now you are saying that, okay, this is the retracement. Remember I told you guys, there was a retracement first before the candlestick pattern. So the candlestick pattern, the candlestick formation is not the retracement. For here, this is the retracement. This move is the retracement. So, and this move was the retracement, and also this move was the candlestick pattern. So I can't trust this kind of thing, you understand? So I just need a full-blown retracement. That means there must be multiple candles to show that the market is in a balanced state. This looks like an imbalanced price action. Now I want you guys to go back test and start apply. You know, there are a lot of ways to make money. Every time I'm always creating good quality videos for you guys. And if you are new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss all the information. Like as I posted the other time, I said I have a target of 200 videos to create this year, and I'm already working on it on everyday basis because I want to reach out more people and help more people to level up their trading in this trading industry. Also, I still have a mentorship program, very cheap, just 100 USD. Then you have access to me, one-on-one mentorship. I coach you one-on-one mentorship. And then not just that, you also have access to my trading signals directly with me. So that is a very good option if you want to take things a little bit to the next level and on a faster rate, because right here, you only have access to my comment section. And not just that, I can't send signal here on YouTube, but I can send signal here on my premium Telegram channel. And then you have access to me one-on-one Zoom meeting. I'll mentor you guys. Make sure you are profitable. The goal is for you guys to be profitable, because a lot of you guys think that profitability is just you guys just use ear to hear about it, but you have not experienced it. This is the time for you guys to experience it. I'm dropping content here to make you profitable, and also have a great mentorship program for you guys to be profitable. So make sure you like this video and then come back with the next upload. I'll see you guys in the next upload. Peace out, guys.